a worthy successor to our popular Mi TV 4X series. Introducing you to the Mi TV 5X series, which offers you the personalized cinematic experience. The Mi TV 5X comes in three sleek variants: 43, 50, and 55 inches. With a premium metallic bezel-less finish, it's a treat to the eyes. It has a screen-to-body ratio of 96.6%, a carbon fiber back, and a metallic stand supported by an all-round metallic finish. The full-screen display fits perfectly in your home and elevates the aesthetic. Next, let's talk about display. A device this beautiful deserves an optimal display performance. The Mi TV 5X now comes with the next generation of our proprietary display technology, which we are calling Vivid Picture Engine 2. VPE2, as we like to call it, boosts your viewing experience to a whole new level. It's far more immersive with better saturation levels and sharper details that are immediately noticeable. Vivid Picture Engine has always worked with four key dimensions: color, contrast, saturation, and brightness to deliver a great experience. The Mi TV 5X VPE2 now has a new dimension to it: the home, or more specifically, your environment. The Mi TV 5X series comes with a photoelectric sensor, which, along with the VPE, brings to life our new proprietary feature called Adaptive Brightness. Adaptive brightness ensures that the TV is capable of detecting the level of your light in your environment and adjust the screen brightness accordingly. Let me ask you what the world would look like if there were no colors. Hard to imagine, right? The Mi TV 5X has been built keeping in mind that the colors are the true essence of each and every image that we see. Colors change the way we look at things and enhance our viewing experience. The Mi TV 5X boasts a billion color view. To make sure that you don't miss any details, even the minute ones as intended by the creator, the Mi TV 5X is embedded with Reality Flow. This is our proprietary MEMC engine that interpolates frames when needed to give you a visual that is extremely smooth and seamless, irrespective of what you're watching. So the next time you're watching something like a fast-paced game of tennis or gaming, you won't miss a detail. The Mi TV 5X comes with 4K resolution to support some of the best display tech out there in the market. The Mi TV 5X comes with all the popular HDR codecs like Dolby Vision, HDR10+, HDR10, and HLG to ensure you are seeing your favorite content at its best. All this, coupled with our incredible advancements with Vivid Picture Engine 2, is going to make for some immaculate picture quality that adapts to your environment. So now that we have upped the game with the display tech on the Mi TV 5X, let's get into another critical element of a TV: the audio. The audio on this beauty will blow your mind. We have crafted an absolute game changer in this segment. The Mi TV 5X supports a massive category-leading 40-watt stereo speakers. That's quite some power, right? We are the first one to bring such a powerful stereo system to this segment. As if 40-watt speakers wasn't impressive enough, we have another category-defining feature to complement these speakers. The Mi TV 5X series will be our first TV that comes with Dolby Atmos. Dolby Atmos is the gold standard for in-home entertainment today, and it mimics a theatrical experience by creating a dome-like audio environment in your viewing area. Now, after audio and video, a great TV needs, well, something great to watch. And here I have fantastic news. The Mi TV 5X is going to be the first TV to ship with new version of Patchwall, Patchwall 4. Introducing you to our latest and newest generation of Patchwall. The Patchwall 4 has been redesigned to be lighter, faster, and more responsive, while also looking much better. It has a new data-driven layout which helps you explore and discover new content more easily. It comes packed with features that takes your content experience to a whole new level. We are very happy to announce that we are the first smart TV in India to come integrated with IMDb ratings. This shows up right on the home screen. Coming back to features, Patchwork 4 comes with 75 free live channels across genres like entertainment and news, and will be adding more and more free channels to Patchwork. We are leading the market on adding free live channels, and with 30 OTT partnerships, we are making cord cutting a reality for all the Me fans out there. The TV also comes equipped with far-field mics powered by Google Assistant. So now you can simply speak to the TV to get your favorite content or load your favorite games. Well, that's not it. This TV also comes preloaded with Android TV 10, which brings with it access to Play Store and Chromecast built-in. On the hardware front, the TV also comes with future-proof technologies like eARC, auto low latency mode via the HDMI 2.1 compatible ports. It also comes with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage, along with all the other connectivity options that cover your entertainment needs. The Mi TV 5X stands out in the competition with more features than anyone out there. The Mi TV 5X 43-inch is priced at Rs 31,999. The Mi TV 5X 50-inch is priced at Rs 41,999. And the Mi TV 5X 55-inch is priced at Rs 47,999.